Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make kombucha at home. First, let's gather our essentials. Kombucha is a delicious, fizzy fermented tea, offering a unique tangy flavor and potential health benefits. To begin, you'll need a clean 1-gallon glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band. For ingredients, prepare black tea, granulated sugar, filtered water, and crucially, a healthy SCOBY with at least 1 cup of strong starter liquid. Next, we prepare the sweet tea base. Start by brewing 4 to 6 black tea bags, or 2 tablespoons of loose-leaf tea, in 4 cups of hot water for 5 minutes. Remove the tea, then stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it fully dissolves. Finally, add 6 cups of cold, filtered water to bring the total volume to 1 gallon and cool the mixture down to room temperature, ideally between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the exciting part, fermentation. Once your sweet tea is completely cool, pour it into your 1-gallon jar. Carefully add your SCOBY and the 1 cup of starter liquid. Cover the jar with the breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Place it in a quiet spot away from direct sunlight, maintaining a temperature between 68 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to ferment for 7 to 30 days, tasting occasionally after 7 days. Finally, let's talk about flavoring and bottling. After your first fermentation, remove the SCOBY and reserve 2 cups of the finished kombucha as starter for your next batch. Now, you can add flavorings like 1/4 cup of fruit juice or fresh fruit pieces to each bottle. Seal your bottles tightly and allow them to undergo a second fermentation for 2 to 5 days at room temperature to build carbonation. Refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy your homemade kombucha.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.